clearly visible? Yes, ma'am. Yes, in these two containers, I have water. Water is filled. Now here, this is a bottle. I have cut its bottom. Its bottom I have cut, and I have placed one. These are very simple activities. Only to see that when we are demonstrating any activity, the visibility of your activity must be very clear. Only to show that. I have placed this one glove this side. Same, I have one more. So when we dip these bottles in water, these gloves inflates. So this is to show that air occupy space. Very simple activity, and visibility is also clear. Everything is clear. I hope you all can see. This is a very simple activity to show that air occupy space. Hello, hello. Hello to everyone. Like this. This is a very simple activity to show that air occupy space. Now here, in place of, in one container I am taking cold water. This is cold water, and in this I am taking hot water. Hot water. I have bottle, hot water. In one container I have cold water, in one I have hot water. Now, yes, see, this is a one bottle, very simple bottle, and I have fixed one balloon at the mouth of this bottle. So when I dip this bottle in hot water, yes, this balloon starts inflating. Very simple, because this hot water, because of the heat of this water, the air which was inside this bottle, that air heats up and expands. And yes, same, when I dip in this cold water, this balloon shrinks, because the air which is inside this bottle cool down, and when the air cool down, it shrinks. That's why this balloon also shrinks. Same, when I dip in hot water, it starts inflating. You can see balloon is inflating, its size increasing. Mainly you are to see, means when you are demonstrating any activity, the visibility should be clear, as you can see this time. And when we dip in cold water, it starts shrinking. If I will keep for some time, it will completely shrink. Yes. Now next, yes, this bottle I have taken this bottle now, and I have made one hole here, and I have fixed one straw in this bottle, and there should be no leak here, so you can fix here clay. You can fix this gap with clay. So this is very simple. Now I am going to fill water, and for the visibility I have taken this red color. What color? And you have to fill only till this hole, not above the hole. Yes, now see. Now, container I have kept here. Now I am going to fix one balloon at the mouth of this bottle. Release, I am going to release its air. Now you will see, because of the air pressure, the water will start coming through this straw. Yes, you can see it has started because of the pressure of air which was filled in this balloon. The complete glass has, this beaker has filled with this liquid. Now I am going to stop this. So these are very simple activities that we can show, but that time the visibility should be proper.